Hello, I'm Blagoves Duncan and this is Duncan Construction Balear. We are a Mallorcan company with over 20 years of experience. We do construction from zero to ready for move-in. We work with trustful companies for plumbing, electricity, painting, everything. We do all kinds of renovations, bathrooms, kitchen, outside, everything of the house. We have a showroom here in Paguera where you can find our natural stone. It's called travertine. It's a natural stone used for interior and exterior flooring, and it's very popular now here in the island. Duncan Construction Balear is the official distributor of Chemset building materials. We have this new product, it's called EcoPlus 50. It's a head insulating plaster. It's a new generation plaster. You can find all the properties here. This is George Duncan, he's one of the owner of the company. We have a building here, we're doing an extension of the house. We have a lot of work to do, 1 year approximately. Don't hesitate to contact us in Spanish, English or German. Hope to see you soon. Now let's check it if everything is correct inside.
Okay.